Let's take a look at this bad boy right quick. So this is the name of the company right here. There's an image of what's to come in the box. This is a wire-free camera. That is what's up. I do not like wires at all. All right, let's go and open up this box, people. Oh, I really like how they box this up, really clean, very simple. You got your hardware over here and power cable and your camera right here. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm noticing that this is decently weighted. It's not the lightest camera I've ever held, but it's not the heaviest. I kind of like this sort of two-tone sort of look right here. This kind of reminds me of Reese's Peanut Butter Cup for some reason. I'm not sure why. All right, let's go and walk around this bad boy. So that's the HD camera right here. You have two indicator lights or IR blasters right here. So that's going to be for your night vision, I'm guessing. That is a very, very nice sensor right here for motion. This is awesome. I haven't seen something like this since the blink cams. So that is really cool. There's your microphone port right there for the two-way audio. At the bottom, you have a very clean cover right here. This is very nice. I've definitely seen way worse. This is really cool. Take this open. Oh, it just completely comes off. Okay. USB-C, that is awesome. You got your SD card slot and your on-off switch. We'll go and flip it on. Oh, that speaker is very loud. And back here is the speaker right here. All right, and there's how you mount it on your house. Okay, up at the top here, you have the name of the company once more. And there's your indicator light right there. Okay, so first impressions, this thing is pretty decently built. It feels really, really solid.